stuck on the on ramp trying to get up 285, man. Everybody got to go through Atlanta. You can't go up these hills, man. That's crazy. A car no slid. Yeah. It's a wrap.
It's a car.
Yeah. Car don't mess around now. Ain't nobody getting up that thing. It's rough out here. Ain't nobody on the roads either. So hopefully they ain't shut a lot of this stuff out. They stopped over there too. Yeah, we know. Messed around and got some of this Pittsburgh weather.
Going up like a rocket, they say that I'm cocky. You niggas can't stop me. Try me if you want, and I kick your ass like a Mr. Miyagi. Dripping on salt, nigga, that's teriyaki. Overseas drip, nigga, I'm drinking on sake. Nigga, try me, I get hotter than Taki. And sell away on a bitch, nigga, like Yachty.
Welcome back, man. We at Lenox Mall, man. Now let me tell you about this stop. I gotta go down to the basement. So they definitely gonna be taking me off of this route because I ain't not finna be walking down this incline, y'all. Let me show y'all what I got. I gotta go through these double doors right here. Come on. Oh snap, hold on. I dropped one, y'all. Yeah, man, I gotta go all the way down this incline. I ain't trying to drop my load. All the way down this incline. And it's a little steep incline now. We gotta walk into the basement. I know I gotta take off some potatoes. I don't know about walking these potatoes all the way down here. Might just run them. Or leave them at the top of the hill. Yeah, man, this food service for you, man. This is at Lenox Mall in the basement. Oh, dropped another one. But yeah, it's the Five Guys basement. I didn't think they had deliveries like that, but it looked like I'm gonna have to bring the potatoes down here, cause shit, they down here in the door. Hey. Yeah. I'm thinking I'm going to another Five Guys store, or you know, gotta go up the elevator in the mall. They tell me, nah, you gotta go down to the basement. So I'm searching for the basement, man. Mind you, I got here around 1:30. It's after 2, it's going on 2:30 now, and I'm just not getting to my delivery area. So yeah, wasted a lot of time. See if I got the key to this stop. I should have it in here somewhere. Oh yeah. We got action, boss. They lock their stuff up, man. People be trying to get to it. Look like I'm gonna be walking the potatoes all the way down here. That's crazy, man. You got your cooler right there. So I guess the cooler and freezer gonna go in now. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put the cooler and freezer in now. Let me get my keys. I was thinking about it. Oh man, I can't get my keys out until I lock back up. So I'll let them sit right there until I finish. So I got about, what, 30 more pieces to take off. I'm go ahead and run these off, man, because trying to find this spot gonna put me behind a whole hour and a half. And I got 10 stops. I'm only at number 1. Going on 3 o'clock, man. I usually be at my 3rd stop by now. But you see this incline, man, I'm going uphill. Uphill. So yeah, them potatoes they're gonna be a job. They're gonna pull me down the hill one. So yeah, let me get this show on the road, y'all. So I gotta get this cooler, and then I gotta get those potatoes down there. But they got the chicken blocking my potatoes. Like, why you couldn't have the potatoes up here in the front, bro? Like, I gotta go through all kind of goddamn hoops. So let me get this out, man, and we're going to get this show on the road. And I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Yes, sir, man. We back with another one. See, I got these Five Guys potatoes getting ready to come up out this thing. Got 10 stacks of each. Yeah, y'all count them up. I'm gonna try to wear these things on down here. I usually go about 8 high, but it was 20 of them, and I'm trying to make like 2 trips. So yeah, man, trying to get this thing on out of here. So watch me work. They had me struggling trying to get in that dough, man. I'm gonna try to get this next one in a little smoother. That was better. Let me show you why I got to stack that. That was a little better. Had to go around all these tables, man, and knock over some of these chairs. But yeah, I put my last stack in right here. I went in a little smoother. That first stack, tried to get it to the wall, but it fell down right there. So yeah, got to bring the rest of this stuff in now. We're going to the back, and yeah, cut y'all back on in a few, man. Yeah, so what I got now is I gotta get those cases of meat in the middle and at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all my stock 6s, we'll just throw them on this pallet right here, and knock the rest of this stop out, and then I'll be on to the next one, man. Yeah, so Man, it's 35 degrees out here, but we still trying to get it, man. So, hey, shout out to all my food service guys out there. And they put y'all on the time lapse and get this knocked out.
And put yourself in a better position for a better tomorrow. Even though tomorrow ain't promised. If you ain't thinking like that, then you might as well be dead already.
Yes, sir, man. That's it. I just tucked down that tall stack I just made and put it over here on this end truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these last few down. And yeah, man, we're gonna be on to the next. Yes, sir. Gotta love that food service joint, man. One more stack and we out. Got us in the snow today, boy. Oh, they got us in the snow. Still got the truck running. Gonna try to get this Polo Tempero chicken knocked out. Had to make a quick stop out at the Waffle House, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, I gotta go on and get some of this stuff unloaded. Store manager said she on her way, but I don't know where she at, where they coming from. But this snow is super thick right now. Look at this. Yeah, that's how thick the snow is, man. That's a couple inches. That's about 3 inches right there. So we definitely gonna have to. That's about 3 inches already. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to plow our way out of here. That's crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and scan some of these products. We had our last stop. You unlocked the. You had unlocked the back door. Or we rode with the back door unlocked the whole time.
I ain't gonna like it.
Somebody forgot to lock it. I don't know. I probably did. I thought I locked it though. Yes, sir, man. I'm already slipping and sliding. That's that crazy. Try to go on and get set up. Man, putting them boots on, he getting ready. Yeah. Oh yeah, cause you definitely gonna go on the YouTube, boy. I put everything on the YouTube. I'm gonna have to clean that spot out too, so let me cut y'all back on in a minute. Yeah, we didn't make it to unloading that stop, man, so we had to get up out of there. So we headed back down the road in this snow, 30 miles an hour, the fastest I can go. I ain't trying to chance it. I can't see the lines for one. So yeah, y'all see what's going on in Georgia right now. Y'all northern states, y'all can keep this mess. We ain't made it to the interstate. I'll cut y'all back on when I get to the interstate. In that interstate now, they put salt on that interstate. You see how brown it is? Yeah, they put salt on the interstate. You still can't drive fast, but that's some slush. Think I'm gonna stop at the red light?
I'll be there when they get this, you know.
Yeah.
Come on there,
Yeah, they got that slush out there, but I'd rather drive on deck though. Just can't speed on it. I ain't never seen 285 like this. I always miss this part. They got me stuck in it now. Why this van behind me just trying to ride me like that? Like, come on, bro. Yeah, I always miss this part right here, but I don't never ride in the snow on 285 and 85. They got me this year. Hopefully we don't run into no power up, so hey, I'll keep y'all tuned in. Trying to get back, man. We almost back. We ain't made it to Atlanta yet, but gotta get through that, man. Truck stuck in the middle of the road, trying to get on 285 maybe, but dang, they jammed that stuff. I'm going through Atlanta. I ain't even gonna get on 285. I was fancy, but don't just keep straight. It look like I might have to carve my own lane out over there, but they trying to get on 285. That 285 shut down. Shut down. Look, ain't nobody on there. Ain't nobody going to and from. So they messed up. We got to. Hopefully they ain't shut Atlanta down. We got to go through somewhere. You can't get up the door here. Look, they stuck on the on ramp. Yeah, all the truck. Yeah. Messed around and start going too slow.
on the on ramp, 285.
Yeah, they stuck. It's over with. Everybody jammed up. Yeah, they stuck on the on ramp trying to get up 285, man. Everybody got to go through Atlanta. You can't go up these hills, man. That's crazy. A car on sled. Yeah. It's a wrap.
It's a car.
Yeah. Car done messed around now. Ain't nobody getting up that thing. It's rough out here. Ain't nobody on the roads either. So hopefully they ain't shut a lot of this stuff out. They stopped over there too. Yeah, we know, messed around and got some of this Pittsburgh weather. Working our way through. About to get downtown Atlanta. Can't drive in a certain lane, you just gotta follow the trade. See y'all when we land.
Going up like a rocket, they say that I'm cocky. You niggas can't stop me. Try me if you want, and I kick your ass like a Mr. Miyagi. Dripping on salt, nigga, that's teriyaki. Always see drip, nigga, I'm drinking on sake. Nigga try me, I get hotter than Taki. And sell away on a bitch, nigga, like Yachty.